Hi, Clayton. Good afternoon. This is Teresa. My question is, I purchased properties from Morris Invest. I have three properties there. My question is, who would determine the increase of the rent? Is it the management or me? And are they going to inform me of the increase of the rent? Thank you.
Thank you, Teresa. So, and congratulations. She worked with our company at Morris Invest. So she has 3 rental properties with our team, which is great. So we only work with the top-notch property management companies. Okay. And the reason we work with top-notch property management companies is because they are going to determine the rental rates in those areas. But really the market itself will dictate rental rates. Okay. So interest rates are going to be going up this year because the Federal Reserve is going to pull back on the money that they're funneling to Wall Street. We may see inflation continue to go up and ride hot for the next year or so. That may contribute to rental increases, rental prices going up, rent going up. All of these things are in the market, and we want to pay attention to those things. And that's exactly what a property manager is doing. And so Teresa's question is, who determines the rental rate? Well, the market is going to determine the rental rate. Conditions outside of your control, employment, broader economic conditions from the federal government, the value of the US dollar, inflation, all of these things are going to contribute to the rental rate. Are there jobs growing in this area? Is there high or low crime? All of those things. So the market is going to dictate that. But who's going to be monitoring that? Well, you should. You could very well monthly, as you're checking in on your portfolio, make sure that you're aware of your rental rates in your properties, and certainly when you have tenants that are coming due for a renewal or a new tenant moving into a property. Again, I've done videos over the years about you. It's not a set it and forget it. We're not Ron Popeil here, where you just set it and forget it. When you are a real estate investor, yes, you can work with a full service team like ours at Morris Invest, and we'll do a huge bulk of the heavy lifting. You still have to pay your taxes. And I encourage you every month to have a check-in, to sit down and look at your portfolio, see how it's doing. And hey, this tenant is coming up for a rent renewal in a month or a contract lease renewal in a month or two. Is it time for us to increase the rents? That's something you should be aware of, but your property management company is going to be having conversations with you about that. A good property management company is going to be monitoring the conditions in that neighborhood, is going to know that they can increase rent $50, $100. And if a tenant is moving out, that's when they usually will implement the rent increase. Okay. So if the tenant is there for 5 years, but it's up to the property manager. I don't typically like to rock the boat on raising rents if a tenant is going to stay there for a very long time. I want the tenant to stay there for a long time, because you as a landlord, where you're going to spend the most money is on tenant turnover. So if a tenant moves out, that's when you're going to spend money. You're going to have to update carpet, get carpet cleaned or replaced, or maybe some touch-up paint, or you might have to change or update an appliance, especially if it's been there for 5, 6, 7 years. Maybe it's time to update the stove or something like that. So that's when you're going to start to spend money on tenant turnovers. I want a tenant to stay there uninterrupted for as many years as he or she wants to. But again, have conversations with your property management company. They are going to be monitoring the conditions in that particular market and making a determination on the rental rates. And to answer one of the other parts of your question, Teresa, can you ask to have rents increased? Yes, absolutely. You are the owner. You are the owner of the property. So if your property management company comes to you and says, hey, Teresa, we think that the rent on this property is $1,000 a month. Okay. And you say, sorry, property management company, I want $1,200 a month. They're going to have to listen to you, but they may also say to you, hey, Teresa, this property might sit vacant for a while because the rates on this street and in this neighborhood are $1,000 for a 3-bedroom. So you're going to ask $1,200? Is your property so much different or better than the other ones on the street? It doesn't really make sense, right? So yes, you absolutely can set your own rental rates. I wouldn't suggest it. That's why you have a great property management company to work with you on that. I hope that answers your question. Please leave us a voicemail message. You can do so by going to our website. Go to morrisinvest.com. We'll have a link in the description below. We have so many great resources on the website. Heck, if you want to start working with us as a client, we're building about 500 properties this year in the year 2022. And so book a call with us, see if it's a fit for you. It's brand new construction built from the ground up in the best rental markets in the country. Our team works with our property management team to make sure that a tenant is placed in the property relatively right around the closing time or as close to closing as possible because of new construction and the closing. Maybe a tenant moves in a few weeks later after the construction is complete. Give us some leeway on that timeline. But the goal is to have a tenant moving into that property almost as soon as construction is complete. And then it's cash flowing virtually from day one so that you have a great cash flowing asset right at that time. So if you're ready to do that, you can click on the book a call tab at morrisinvest.com and also leave us a voicemail question if you have any questions you want answered here in real estate investing. Now go out there, take action, become a real estate investor. I believe it's the number one way to build wealth. We'll see you next time, everyone.